What's up, y'all? It's been super calm. As you can see, there's a little bit of motion here right now. But, like, all these other trees, as you can see, there's, like, absolutely nothing. The only reason this one's moving is because, it's directly in, like, my heart's field. And I'm with it right now. I haven't been outside for the majority of the day. So I'm going to connect to the force. A guy named Tree Hugger Dave Mahoney told me to try to be like hydrogen. Or he said that's where God existed or something like that. Something like that. And so, be like hydrogen, you guys. Look that stuff up. Hydrogen's some powerful stuff. I don't know if you can tell, but the tree is moving, but I'm not worried about like getting the tree to move at all anymore, because I was paying attention to that video that I seen the other day, and just connect to the force. Just connect to the force. Don't even worry about getting the tree to blow or the wind to move. Don't worry about any of it. Just connect to the force. Hold on. So, still no movement from anything out there, as you can see. Like, just take a look. That tree out there is like nothing. This tree here, there's nothing. Maybe there's something. Looks like there's a little bit of motion on that one there. So I'm gonna connect with my heart. See if we can get some more going. Oh, there's birds in there. That tree does get filled with birds. Like if I run over there right now, there'll probably be a bunch of birds that fly out. But yeah, let's go back to this tree here. Alright. So don't even worry about making the wind blow. Just connect to the force. Connect to the grass. Connect to the trees, the air. Breathe. Relax your mind. There's like people